If it's perfect, it'll balance. Hello, tiny reviewer friends. Today I'll be reviewing suspension frame. It looks like this. Apparently this part is kind of floating because of the suspension power of these two chains. You're supposed to do that. It's Lego, you're assembling it. There's no nutrition facts or ingredients because you do not eat Legos. And it's from AliExpress, by the way. 56 pieces. Alright, let me open this real quick so that I can see what's inside. The Lego and the instructions. That's literally all that's inside. I will fast forward it. You will not see me make it, of course, but you'll see me fast forward it, and I'll see you at the end of the video. Alright, so this is the finished suspension. So once you finish connecting the chains, you kind of put it upward, and then if it's perfect balance, I'm saying, likewise, it doesn't do it. If it's perfect, it'll balance. If you can't see what I'm trying to show you, here's a clip right now on what I actually just did. Alright, so with slight not balance, it will topple right over. But if it has perfect balance, or the bridge might fall off, well, that's simple enough. I can just connect it back on. Not that simple. This way. There. It's really amazing how, the reason why it balances the perfect height and the perfect suspension between the chains on here, and in the middle. There. It balances. So really what I'm trying to show you is that's what it is. Let's do it your way. It looks like that once it balances. It looks like that. Alright, so that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and press the like button, and meet me again on this brown silicone pad table. I'll see you guys again in my other videos. Bye!